This video shows you an incredible hack that allows you to generate quotes using ChatGPT and create 300 YouTube shorts using the Canvas feature in only 30 minutes. Not only does this time-saving method help you create high-quality content quickly, but it also has the potential to generate a significant income of up to $30,000 per month. If you're looking to scale your content creation and income, this video is an essential watch.
To begin, you can generate quotes with ChatGPT based on your video requirements. For example, you can generate quotes and facts about girls, boys, and friends. Next, it's time to turn these quotes into short videos or Instagram reels. To do this, you can visit opencanva.com and select a mobile video template. In the search bar, type quotes, and you'll find numerous video templates related to quotes. Customizing it according to your needs. Choose a shorts video template and copy the quotes into it. By following this method, you can create a bulk of YouTube shorts. Keep adding quotes to the short video template until you have the desired number of videos. Finally, click on the Share button and then the Download button. Check the download page to ensure that each video is saved as a separate file. Your bulk shorts videos are now ready to be uploaded. By utilizing this approach, you can efficiently generate content and increase your chances of success on YouTube.